Hey there, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on our video. So today I have a very interesting video. I always have interesting videos, guys. Don't worry. If you haven't watched my other videos, please do. That's why I'm telling you, I always have interesting videos. So today I have an interesting video just to show you multiple ways of using a gadget that most of us have in our homes, but we underutilize it. Yes, we don't utilize it to the maximum. Yet, you bought it with your money, but you don't want to utilize it to the maximum. So I'm here to broaden the possibilities of what you can do with this gadget. And the gadget that I'm talking about is right next to me. Yes, this is the microwave. I'm sure most people have it in their homes. So today I'm here to show you the very many things you can make using your microwave. Yes, meals, actual meals, food you can eat. So it's not every day that you use your gas. It's not every day that you use your ovens, your air fryers, and everything. Sometimes break the monotony and just make use of this body over here, because so many of us just underutilize it. So I'm here to show you several meals that you can make using your microwave, and it only takes minutes, not hours. Probably hours, but okay, not hours, because the accumulative time maybe would be uh, maximum an hour, putting into consideration you have to prepare for the ingredients and everything. But the actual cook time, this actually takes minutes, and it will save you on time if you're a student, if you don't have time, if your gas is out, if you don't. So let's get right into it so I can show you the dishes that you can make. But kindly subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and thank you so much for the returning subscribers, for the people who keep on commenting, who keep on appreciating the work that we do. We love you so much, and we appreciate you right back. And let's get right into it. So the next thing we are making in our microwave is some rice, some steamed rice in our microwave. So we have some rice here, we have a container. What we'll do first is wash our rice. So just pour in some water, wash your rice. To remove the excess starch. So we have used 1 cup of rice, and let's see how it all turns out. So here is 1 cup of our washed rice, and then to this we are going to add 1.5 cup of water. 1.5 cup of water. So there we go. Just want to mix this up real good. Add some salt to your rice. Stir it real good. Then we'll pop this in the oven for about 10 minutes. Here we have our rice. So the water is still not dried up yet, and the rice itself still not perfectly cooked. So we'll leave it for another about 3 minutes and everything will be perfectly done. Our rice is ready. Yes, it's perfectly done. Ooh, so hot. Imagine rice in the microwave. It's perfectly cooked. This took me only 10 minutes to cook my rice in the microwave. So this is another item, another dish you can easily make in your microwave. If you have no time to start stirring up meals in your gas, in your air fryers and all that, if you are tired from work and want to pop in something real fast, this is the meal to try out. So remember, you can always add on to your rice. You can add on some veggies to make this a vegetable stir-fried rice. You can add in some cooked eggs to make this an egg fried rice. You can make it however you like it. You can add some spices, some cumin, some turmeric, just to spice up your rice. But this is just to show you that rice is definitely possible. Rice is one of the dishes you can easily make in your microwave at the comfort of your home. So I hope you'll try this out and you will love it. So guys, you have seen the very many uses of the microwave that you guys were not seeing or were ignoring or didn't know. So make sure to utilize your appliances, your gadgets to the maximum. So this microwaves, these appliances you bought with your money, so make extra use of them. And we as Aurelia's Kitchen are here to plug you with all the recipes that you need, all those ideas that you didn't know. We are here for you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new and I hope you'll try out all these recipes. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye.